Yeah, I mean, normally when you're so far away from them, after a few turns, they end up just sending a peace treaty. Half the time, anyways. Just from not fucking around with each other long enough.
Oh, there goes Malachi Mckaizen. Oh,
Okie
shit.
dokie.
That is scary, actually. I didn't see that until just now. That had to have happened this time. The Prince and Emperor is getting rather big.
Do you want me to take Poi Miang?
Is that the Cathay place?
No.
Oh, Po Mei? No, that's... I'm going after that one. You go after Wei Jin to the right. Because that's their last place.
Good. Feasible, perhaps.
There's one dick there.
Yeah. Just siege it.
If you get in there, I might not be able to. We'll see.
Yeah,
I
next
suppose
turn.
I will do this fight tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but whenever we bring it.
Attack
Hang on.
at once.
Enforce Confederation.
Oh,
Nice.
You could even go vassalize Miao Ying.
Awanrag.
Nah, I'm gonna let Cloud take them.
Also, I would watch out. The person that you would let declare war on you is just right up there. Like, he is super close by.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, he isn't too far. I guess I know who I'm going after next.
Have you guys seen where I'm at, by the way? Like, my starting point was all the way over here. And now I'm just over here.
Good, just rape the lands.
Yeah, have you seen how much fucking fire?
Yeah, you have a pretty
I was looking
serious.
over there.
I've made it all chaos taint.
It's all scorched.
It's Empire's turn next. And then I'm gonna have to go set the tree on fire as well. The big tree. Unfortunately, but...
Alright, are we good? I'm gonna save.
Yeah, go ahead and save.
Alright, save. Store, man.
Like Mordheim.
I don't know if I saved it right. Hold on.
No, you saved it right. You saved it right. Oh, look at that. We're on an even turn 50.
Okay, cool. We're good. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Cool. Alright. Rage, Koala, thank you guys so much for playing this campaign with me, bro. I appreciate it, guys. I hate to do this, but I gotta skedaddle quick. Because
Yeah,
it's 4
it's
a.m.
4
I gotta go to bed. Koala,
Me too.
Rage, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your evening. Guys, make sure you show Koala some love. An awesome fucking streamer here on Twitch. Drop him some love. Awesome Warhammer streamer here. You're gonna love him. Guys, have a blessed rest of your evening. I'll see you guys soon.
Yep. Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Alright, guys, listen up. I gotta skedaddle quick. Really quick. I want to thank... I don't know why it did no updates. With my OBS. But I want to thank Sorello. Thank you so much for the bits. Make sure you drop him a follow. True, thank you so much for the resub. Valorant, thank you so much for the gifts. Draco, thank you so much for the gifts, the gifted subs. Valorant, thank you so much for the gifted subs. Goddess, thank you so much for the follow. Godly, thank you so much for the resub. Sleepless, thank you so much for the follow. Lovely, thank you so much for the follow. Class, thank you so much for the follow. And to everyone else that stopped by tonight, thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Toodles, I gotta run.
Oh, yeah.
That's why
It'll
I'm
be on the
like
small
halfway as
screen.
well.
It'll be on the small screen, motherfucker. I don't know where the flute is. I don't know where the flute is. Oh, there it is. Hold on. We'll blow the flute. Hold on.
Done then.
You don't get a full view of the gritty.
Wait,
Alright, Ray.
Where's Villa Dad, actually?
Ardugalta.
Oh, that orc is going to collate right now.
Rick.
Yeah, he spawns in a war with him.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Alright.
Tokok fatata.
Skeletons, you ready for the flute? Maximum flute. Super flute. 3, 2, 1. Piss it.
Hapru. Sadaru.
Go to your diplomacy, Cloud. I sent you something.
Hey, where's my diplomacy?
I care not for Asgoth. So you best
I can
make your
trade
pitch.
now. I have a settlement.
We are now trading.
Oh, yeah.
That's why
It'll
I'm
be on the
like
small
halfway as
screen.
well.
It'll be on the small screen, motherfucker. I don't know where the flute is. I don't know where the flute is. Oh, there it is. Hold on. We'll blow the flute. Hold on.
Done then.
You don't get a full view of the gritty.
Wait,
Alright, Ray.
Where's Villa Dad, actually?
Ardugalta.
Oh, that orc is going to collate right now.
Rick.
Yeah, he spawns in a war with him.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Alright.
Tokok fatata.
Skeletons, you ready for the flute? Maximum flute. Super flute. 3, 2, 1. Piss it.